Good morning, everyone. My dear online students, very good morning. Online students, good morning. How are you all? Had breakfast? No, ma'am. We'll go after the class. Huh? Huh? Now only. I'll cancel the classes, huh? For you all. Postpone. Ashok sir will postpone me. Huh? What did he say? What did you say? He said something. Narasimha, tell what he said. He said that's your problem, right? Right? If I ever see you two, I said come this side. This side. Get up. Come this side. If I ever see you two people sitting together, don't sit. I said this side. That's my problem. Huh? Today I'll show you what the problem is. We'll ask questions. Yes? Close the book. Everyone close the book. Everyone close the book. We'll ask question today. Which color today? Opposite of black? What is client server architecture? What I haven't taught. What is client server architecture? Okay, at least tell me what are the two types of responses you get in client server architecture. What is static? Huh? Tell properly, Baba. What is this? Static means home page. Home page is here. Tell. What is static? Hey, I'm not targeting you, da. I'm generally asking the question. What do you mean by static response? Don't know. I'll kick you. Why I haven't taught in the class, sir? Hey, ma'am, anyway, she will teach. She'll not ask question. Okay, let me pass the question to him. What is static response? What is dynamic response? Okay. What do you mean by server computer? Server computer. What is client computer? Question again to him. What is client computer? Okay, tell me what are the different types of heading tags? Heading tags. Huh? What are the different types of heading tags? What up you're saying? God will not teach you. What are the different types of heading tags? Soon, da, I don't have time. H1, H2, H3. That's all. Huh? You have H7, which element is called as root element? Which element is called as root element? See, guys, I just want to say this thing. I'm not alone saying it to you. I know no one will study. But still I am telling you people, if you people don't study or don't revise, this is what is going to happen. And when you go to the interview, you will not answer the questions. First of all, you people have not practiced, you people don't revise, and then when you go to the interview, when they ask simple question also, you people will not be able to answer. Why? Because lack of practice. Then you people will come to us saying that, ma'am, I did not get placed. You people are not providing us the placement opportunities. Whose mistake is that? Is it our mistake? Huh? Who said yes? Is it our mistake that if you people don't go and perform there, or if you people don't practice, don't study, is it our mistake? Yes or no? Who is the person saying yes from that time? From today, trust me, I will not be the same as how I used to be with you people. I'll just come, do the class, go. That's all. No jokes, no interaction, no nothing. What is the point? What is the point? I have given you people so much lenience. Yes or no? Have I ever behaved very strict with you people? Ever. Till this class I have taken. Till the date today, have I ever been strict with you people? When you people don't study, what is the point in me coming or teaching you people anything? I'll not ask questions to you people. I'll never ask questions. I'll just come, do the class, go. Some people say that that is your problem. Even if you people don't have breakfast and come, that is also not my problem. Then don't come and say that, ma'am, I did not have breakfast. Ma'am, I didn't do that. I didn't do this. Okay? From today, you people see. Okay, sorry, no questions. The next topic, we will learn something called as border radius. We will learn something called as border radius. What is border radius? What is border radius? Online students, I'll really tell you, you people are the best. You people are the best because though those people are there in online, they interact with me. And you people, being me alive here, live here, you people, first of all, don't listen to the class, make comments in the class, that is also fine. And you people don't answer to my questions, you say, ma'am, I don't know. Don't get to know anything, don't get placed, be like this, sit here only, waste your money, waste our time also, do everything. Clear? Done. Very good. Okay. See, whenever I used to write something called as border, yes or no? Now, let us, guys, you people have placed this side. Come and sit here. Okay. What is the topic? The topic is border radius. Okay. See, now and all, now, if I consider a simple HTML structure that is called as doc type HTML, and can you please tell me the code? Okay, don't tell, I'll only write HTML head, and after this head I will be writing something called as title, and inside this title let me mention the title name as border radius. No, you people don't say, guys, don't say. There's no point in saying, don't say. Don't say anything. I will mention something called as title, and inside this title, let me mention one tag that is called as style tag. I said don't say. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. And now, and let me consider another one element that is called as your body tag. Don't say. I'll write. Only I am alive in class, I'll write. You people are, though you are alive or dead. Okay, then now inside this, what I'll try to do is, I will consider one div tag. Inside this, I will consider one div tag. I'll not pass any content to that and I close this div tag. Okay. So now what is the heading saying? It's saying border radius. First of all, if it is like that, so first of all, I have to give the border to it. Yes or no? So now let me go inside the style tag. Let me go inside the style tag. Please sit this side. Kale billa. Okay. Let me take the style tag, and inside this, the first element I am going to consider is the div tag. Okay. So now you people tell me, since I haven't passed anything inside the content of, sorry, I haven't passed any content inside this div tag. If I give the border also, how will I get it? If I get the border also, how? Okay. If I write something like, I have considered the div element, yes or no? So now inside this, I will take one property called as border, and inside this, let me mention the width, let me mention the style, and let me mention the color. Clear till here? Yes. Then what I'll do now, see, as soon as I write this syntax, as soon as I write this syntax, what will happen? How will my output be displayed? My output will be displayed like this. Yes or no? My output will be displayed like this. Online students, yes or no? My dear online students, yes or no? Online students, please reply yes. So now, what I'll do here, I will mention some height to it. I will mention the height to it, saying 200 pixels, and let me mention the width. Let me mention the width, something called as, why should I write what you people say? I'll not write. I will write something called as 150 pixel. This is all the same thing which you people perform. Normally, till now, what and all you used to perform the same thing I've written. Yes or no? Now, I will write something I will write one property called as border radius. I will write one property called as border radius, and inside this border radius, let me pass, don't write. And inside this border radius, let me pass one value called as 40 pixels. Okay. Now, let us see practically what will happen. See, only till here, just leave this border radius. How will I get my output? So my output will be displayed like this. Yes or no? My output will be displayed like this. Then what is the use of this property called as border radius? What do you mean by border radius? Sorry, I should not ask question, no? I forgot. Border radius is nothing but, if you people observe the normal output, see, you will get this sharp edges here. Yes or no? But if I use the border radius property, then if I give some pixels, no, then the border corners will be changed like this. The border corner will be changed like this. Okay. And today you people have one task that I have two images. Okay. And inside this, I want to, no jokes in this class. Okay. So this is my task which I have to do. Let me explain this border radius first. Then you people perform this stuff. Clear? Done? How to do that? I will teach you. Now let us see practically what will happen if I give the border radius to 40 pixels. Okay. In this border radius, we have still more properties. In this border radius, we have still more properties. What are those properties? Is nothing but you have something called as border. You have something called as border top right and you have something called as border, top, left, and then what else you will have? Then you will have something called as border, bottom, right? Don't say anything. Then I will write something called as border, bottom, left. So what are the different types? Sorry. The different types of properties in border radius is, one is the border radius, and then you have border top right, border top left, border bottom right, and border bottom left. Clear? Done? Now let us see practically. Online students, yes or no? My dear online students, please write this first. In which you should write, huh? Light off. students? Guys, am I audible now? Yeah, I am audible. Yes. Okay. So now you people are, see, whatever till now, when I was giving the property name called as border, then I was getting the border like this. Yes or no? So now I will use another property called as what? I will use another property called as border radius. And now let me give some border radius to this as 30 pixels. I'll save this. I'll go back to the program and refresh this. What happened? What happened, guys? Before, I used to get very sharp edges. Yes or no? But now, you people can see that we have curve edges. Yes. So, if you just give the border for the border property as, you will take the property as border radius, and you give some value inside this. I will give only one value as 20 pixels. So what happens here is, for all the four corners, it will be reduced to 20 pixels. Clear? Done? Ma'am, then you were saying something about border top, border right, border bottom. Yes or no? If you want, this is called as shorthand of border radius. If you want, like, no ma'am, I don't want all the four corners to be changed, but I want only the top left corner border to be changed. Then what I'll do? Now I will take out this border radius, and now I will add another one property called as, which side I want? Left side, yes or no? And that too, the top side, yes or no? So now I will take border top left radius. I will take border top left radius, and now here I'll give it to 20 pixels. I'll save this, go back to the program and refresh this. What happened? Only this corner got changed, yes or no? But if I use alone border radius and I give only one value, it will be applied for all the four corners. If you want only one side, you just take border top. If I want to change this one, this will be border top left radius. I want to change this one, which is this border bottom right radius. Shall I change this? So now I will use another one property called as border right, sorry, border bottom right radius. Okay. So now here also I'll give 30 pixels. And I'll save this, go back to the program and refresh. Now can you see? Yes, it got changed. Can you see here I've given 20 pixels. There is only a slight change. But I'm giving much larger pixels, so only it has got still more change. Now if I want this to be a circle, if I want this complete thing to be a circle, what I'll do? I'll just take all these and let me try with something called as border radius. I will use border radius and let me try with 100 pixels and let us see what will happen. Yes. You can give it in pixel also. You can give it in percentage also. Okay. But always take it in pixel. Clear? Done, Lalima? If I want it to be displayed in a circle, what will I do? How much pixel should I give? I will give 300 pixel. Wait, let me see what will happen if I give 300. Yes. Am I getting a complete circle? It has become. So now what I'll do, let me change this to how much? 1000, huh? 200. That is your laptop. This is my computer. Okay. How much shall I give, guys? Let me try with 700. Hey, what? Nothing is getting changed. Where is this? Yeah. Guys, if you want that circle to be displayed, give how much ever pixel you want and you change. Okay, done. Now, the task is, I said you people know that you have, I have two circles here. I have two circles here. And for this circle, give one color. For this circle, you give one color. And inside this circle, you give another two circles. Inside the first circle, you give another two circles. Can it happen? Can it happen? Yes. How will it happen? Ma'am, circle inside a circle. How will you give? How will you give? Guys, I have said something called about div tag. Yes or no? I have said something called as div tag. I think last time someone asked me a question, ma'am, can you give div tag inside a div tag? Yes or no? I think Lalima, you asked. Someone asked. Yes. So you people ask me, ma'am, can I give div tag inside another div tag? Yes, you can give a div tag inside another one div tag. How is that is, wait a second. I'm showing, have some patience. Okay. So you people got to know about border radius. Yes or no? Yes or no? Before the, after that, you people have another one property. You people have another one property called as margin and padding properties in CSS. You have another one property called as margin. You people have another one property called as margin and padding in CSS. Margin and padding in CSS. What do you mean by margin? What do you mean by padding? What is the difference between margin and padding? Guys, till now, till today's date, whatever you people have typed inside the body tag, whatever you people have typed inside the body tag, if this is my web page, if this is my web page, it was always getting displayed from here only. Yes or no? From the top left corner, it was getting displayed. Yes. Now, why I'll be using margin or padding is, consider that I have, for an example, I have one heading here. I have one heading here. What you people used to do, you people used to go to the body tag and there you used to give some H1 heading and then the output was getting displayed here. And if I wanted this text to be moved to the center, you were using one property called as text align. Yes or no? You were using one property called as text align. So in this text align, you could give center, you could give left, you could give right. Yes or no? So these and all were the properties you were using with text align. Yes or no? Now, I'm not saying move it to the center. I'm not saying move the text to the center. But instead of that, I am saying that you just give a space. You just give a space from your web page and move it to the right. I'm just saying you give space after this heading. Sorry, before the heading, it is getting displayed here, no? So I'm saying give around 10 pixels of space and then I want this heading. If I give center, what will happen? It will get displayed like this, but I don't know how much pixel I have given this side. Yes or no? I don't, and I also don't even know how much spacing I have given from the starting of my web page. Yes or no? Then I will be using the property called as margin and padding property. Clear? Done? Now let us consider one HTML structure. Let us consider online students. Are you people understanding? Online students. If you people have guts, no. When I turn friend, talk in front of me. When I turn this side, don't talk. Done? Clear? I hope you people have that much guts. Yes? Done. So now let me consider the HTML structure that is doc type, dog type alla, it is doc type HTML, and then let me consider the HTML tag, then head, then I will use the title, and the title I will mention it as margin and padding. Margin and padding, and then let me close the title tag. Clear? Next one, after this title tag, let me mention another one tag called as style tag. Let me mention another one tag called as style tag. Okay. So now what I will do here, I will leave this empty, and now let me consider another one tag that is nothing but your body tag. Now, before I was saying that if I want to display this image, so if I use div tag, this will be considered as one element and this will be considered as other element. Yes or no? So now what I will do, I will use a tag called as div tag, and let me close this div tag. Inside this div tag, I will consider another one div tag. Why I am saying this is, this circle also you will display. This circle also you will display. But I said inside the circle, I want two more circles. Yes or no? So then, if I want to display anything inside another one, then I will be using div tag inside another div tag. Clear? So now, here also I will use another one div tag and I will close this div tag. Ma'am, then what is the differentiation between the first div tag and the second div tag? I will get to know that this is the first div tag and this is the second div tag. Yes or no? This will be your first div tag. This will be your first div tag and this will be your second div tag. Yes, I will get to know. But how will the computer know? Sorry, how will your code get to know that this is the first one or this is the second one? Yes or no? So at that time, if you people remember, I have already said you people about one selector that is nothing but your class selector. You people remember class selector? What is class selector? What is class selector? My dear online students, what is class selector? What is class selector? Now tell. What is class selector? Okay, forget about that. How do you represent a class selector? Dash O. Dot dash ella eldri. So now hash dot or hash. Pakka? Have you people written that notes? Let me check. Turn the pages. Girls would have written. I trust them. Boys, the mischievous people of my class. Have you people written? Sure. Have written, ma? Have written? Huh? Why? Where were you? Ray, I'm not targeting you. Don't think like that. Generally, I'm asking. You have written? Turn. Why? So you people don't want that class. You absent. You? You? ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. You have written? What is this? Have you written? Sure. Okay. So now, what I'll do now, inside this style tag, before that, I will mention the class selector here and I will take this as what? Shall I take this as outer? Shall I take this as outer or inner? Let me take this as outer and let me consider this one for inner. Done till here? Done? Clear? Yes or no? I'm sorry, guys. I scolded too much today. I'm sorry. Okay. So now listen. Okay. I'm not telling the program for this picture. This you people have to learn. I will not do it. This is the task for you people. Okay. So now what I'll do? Now consider how I want my output is. I have one border and I have my second border. And inside the second, ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೋ ನೀವೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. And inside this border means this is my outer border and this is the inner border. And inside this inner border, add one image and welcome it as and tell it as welcome. Clear? Welcome. Come Allah. Welcome. Okay? Done? You understood? Yes? So now, let me consider the very first element, that is your outer class. So, the class always I will represent in the form of, we can also provide ID. Yeah, you can provide ID also, but class is better. Okay? Now, take the class and write it as, first let me consider the outer one or inner one. Okay, let me consider the outer. And then let me consider the inner border. Clear? Clear till here? Yes? So now, inside this outer element, so now in that one, which is my outer element? Which is the outer element? Outer border is the outer element. So, for this one, let me give the property called as border 10 pixels solid, and then I will give it as Okay, done. And now for this one, let me give the height. Height I will give 200 pixels, and let me give the width as 250 pixels. Mehendina. 180. Okay, done. Now, after giving this, now, what is my requirement? First of all, my requirement is I have to display two borders. I have to display two borders. That is, one is the outer border and another one is the inner border. Let us see practically first this one. Yes, done. Write fast soon. Online students are waiting. I cannot make them wait for you people. Soon. I should move. You safe? कहाँ है तेरा laptop? What is he saying? क्या कह रहा है? Done. Yen raw. Huh? Who is Pasha? Call him as Abdul. Then only I can identify Pasha. Andre nange Pasha ana nenpattadu. Done. Online students, are you people copying or are you people sleeping? Online students. Nitesh, Lakshmi, Saklen, Lokesh, Deepika. What are you people doing? Done. Where is Suhas? Where is Suhas? Data. Okay. Now, guys, please observe here. Now, I said that let me remove this and let me mention the title as margin and padding. Margin and padding. And now what shall I do? Okay, so now I said that inside this body tag, I want two borders to be displayed. Inside this body tag, I want two div tags. Yes, because I want one outer border and inner border. Yes or no? So now what I'll do, inside this div tag, I will consider another one div tag. And for this div tag, let me take class is equals to what? Class is equals to outer. And for this one, let me take class is equals to, let me take it as class is equals to inner. Clear? I'll save this. Then I will create another one tag inside the head element called as style tag. And now let me consider, since I want the outer border to be displayed, first let me consider the class with dot outer. Okay. And then now Yeah. Now, inside this, what property I have to pass? Guys, inside this, for this outer, I want a border to be displayed. So I will write it as border and then let me give 10 pixels. Okay. And then solid and I'll give red. Okay. Now, I want another one element. What is the next type of div tag? That is inner tag. So I will take the class as inner. Huh? Answer ಮಾಡ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡಿಡಿರಿ ಅನ್ನಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, let me mention border. For this also I will give 10 pixels solid and I'll give yellow. Okay, done. Done. Now I will get the border. No, we'll go refresh. What happened? I am getting it. I am getting it, but let me give some height and width to this. For this outer element, I will give height as 200 pixels and then I will give width as ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಲೋ 250 pixels. Save this, go refresh it. Now I want my inner border. Yes. So now again I will go to the class element called as inner and in this I will again mention the height. Okay. Save. Go back. Refresh. Guys, can you observe that I have got two borders? Yes or no? You want me to zoom it? Yes. So if you people observe here, I have got the outer border which is in red color and the inner border which is in yellow color. But inner border means it should be smaller than the outer border. Yes. So now what I'll do, I'll go and just change the pixel. Here I've given, let me give it to 100. Here also I'll give it to 100. Now I'll go refresh it. Yeah. Now if you people observe, I have got two borders. Yes or no? Online students. So now I have got two borders. This is my outer border and this is the inner border. Clear till here? Clear till here? Now I want to display some content inside this inner border. I want to display some content inside this inner border. So what will I do here? What will I do, guys? So I will do nothing but wherever I will go to the body tag and if you people observe here, let me pass some content to this div tag. Okay, so I will consider it as what I want. I want welcome. Clear? Spelling correct? Lokesh, wait. Okay, I'm waiting. So now when I go to the program and refresh it, you people can observe that I am getting the text or content whichever I have given. Yes. Now I am saying that inside this inner border, I have the text called as welcome. Yes or no? So I want to create some space inside the inner border and move this towards 10 pixels from this inner border. From this inner border, I want to add some space of 10 pixels and then I want to display this text. Yes, done. You understood what I'm trying to say? Everyone, what did I say? I said that inside this inner border, since your output is getting displayed from the very left corner of your border, I'm saying from this border, give 10 pixels of space and then display this content. Clear? How to do that? By using the property called as padding property. By using the property called as what? By using the property called as padding property. Clear? Online students, clear? So now I will go back to the program. Inside which one I have to move? I have to move the inner tag. Yes. So now what I'll do here? What I'll do? I will write from which corner I have to move? Left side. So I will give the property called as padding left. I will give the property called as padding left. And I said, and how much space should I add? I said I want to move it towards 10 pixels. So I will give 10. I will give 10 pixels. I'll save this. I'll go here and I'll refresh this. Can you observe that? Where is it? So now, if you observe, has this moved for 10 pixels? Have I created a space? Have I created a space for 10 pixels and move this content? Yes or no? Can I use text align also? If suppose you don't know padding property, you can use text align property. Yes or no? But I don't know, but I cannot mention any pixel inside them. Yes? True? Yes or no? Now, okay, ma'am, you said that I want to move the content here. Now I want to move from the top. I have to move it from the top. I have to move this content which is attached to the border. From the top, I again want to create some space. So I will be using another property called as padding. Padding top or bottom? We'll be using something called as padding top. And how much pixel shall I give here? Let me give, I want to create a space of 20 pixels. 50, okay, 50. 50 pixels, I'll save this, go and refresh. What happened? What happened? What happened? This has created a space of 10 pixels from the left and 50 pixels from the top. Clear? If I want it in the center, give some more pixels from the left and display it in the center. Clear? Now, consider that for this inner border only, I want to add image. That is what the requirement I said, no? I want to display welcome here and I want to add the image inside this. Yes? Can I add? How should I add it? So again, go back to your program and write something called as, what should I use? Huh? I have to use image tag, yes or no? Image, source attribute. Huh? Where should I give it? Where should I give it? I should give it in the, I should give it inside the style tag or inside the body tag. Inside the body tag. So now I will again go back. This is my body tag. Yes. Here I should give it. Yes or no? Then before closing the div tag, guys, have you people forgotten? Huh? Yes, sir. Shameless. I will give image tag and I will mention src is equals to our same picture. And I'll close this, save this, go back to the program, refresh this. What is happening? Ma'am, the image is big, but is very small. Yes or no? So now again, what can I do for this? I can use IMG tag. Inside the style tag, again, can I consider IMG? Huh? What will happen? If I use IMG, inside the style tag, how to decrease the size of this? Yes, you understood my question. I have this much big picture. I'm saying that I want to reduce the size of this picture and I want it to be displayed inside this inner tag. Sorry, inner border. Okay. So what will I do now? I am saying, should I mention it in body tag or should I mention inside style tag? Inside style tag? Pakka? Lalima? Okay. Who? You have to mention, Deepika is saying, ma'am, you have to mention inside the body tag. Okay. Now let me mention the same thing inside the body tag. So inside this only I have to give. Yes or no? So now let me mention height and let me mention around 20. And let me give something called as width. And I'll give it off. How much? 10 pixels. Too small, no? Yes or no? Okay, let us see. What happened? Ma'am, invisible, ma'am. Yes or no? Yeah, it is magic only, but this is too small. Yes or no? Let us increase the size. Let us increase the size. And here I will go and give it around 50. And let me give 30. Hero. What is happening? It is getting increased. Lakshmi is saying 200 pixel and 300 pixel. Okay, let me give. Wait. Let us show her. 200 pixel and width I have to give 300 pixel. Okay, I'll save this. Go refresh. What happened? It got bit more increased. Yes or no? So now I will give 80 pixel and 50 or 40. Huh? 80 I'll give. Hey, sumnir wrong. Now, yaro kar dido. Now, if you people observe, inside this inner tag, am I able to add one image? Yes or no? And if you people observe, there is already a space created. You people can say, ma'am, the image has to be displayed like this, no? You have not said that move that image to this side, yes or no? But already for this inner tag, you have given some space here. Yes or no? So the same space will be continued to whatever content you give here. Yes or no? So clear with this? Clear with this? Now you got to know about padding property. Okay, done, clear. Ma'am, these two borders are attached. I want to move this border towards the left. So then what I will do? I will use a property called as margin property. Should I apply it to the inner tag or the outer tag? Inner tag. So should I mention it inside style tag or body tag? Style tag. So here you have inner. So now I will say margin left. Yes or no? And I will take it as how much? 30. I'll save this, go back to the program and refresh. Can you observe? It has moved from the outer margin, it has created some space of 30 pixel and it has moved towards your right. Yes, move towards your right or left? Left. So now up also I want to create some space. So now again what I'll do? I'll use another property called as what? Margin. I will use another property called as margin top and let me give around 20 pixels. I'll save this, go back and refresh. Yes, can you observe? Now it is beautiful, no? Yes? No, na. Now, ma'am, for this image, I want to change the what? I want to give border radius, ma'am. For this image, I want to give border radius. So now, will you mention inside the style tag or body tag? Style or body? If I have to mention this inside the style, how should I write? If I have to mention inside the style tag, how should I write? You said, ma'am, style tag. That is for inner. Yes or no? Here only shall I give border radius? If I give border radius, only the border of that inner border will get changed. Yes or no? Now I want it for image. What should I do? Don't you think that I have to first of all select that image element? Yes or no? So now inside the inner tag only I have to do or outside? Outside the inner tag. Okay. Let me consider another element called as img and let me give border radius as 30 pixels. No, I'll give 20 pixels. So now I'll go refresh. Can you observe? Can you observe? Yes, ma'am, I want it round, ma'am. How to do? Again, go back to your style tag and give the radius as 40 pixels. Save. Go here. Done. Done. Clear. Any doubt? Beautiful, no? Very beautiful. Yes. So now you people, are you people clear about now? Wait. Yesterday, I taught you people one topic called as how to add images to the border. Yes or no? How to add images to the border. So now what should I do? For this outer border, I want to add image. Means out this one it's there, no? I want to add image here. Here. What should I do? So now, should I mention it inside inner tag or outer tag? Outer tag, inside the style tag or in the body tag? Inside the style tag. Okay, I will go to outer tag and I will mention something called as border image. Border image and I have to mention source. Yaro source andiddo. I have to mention something called as URL. Yes or no? So now for this, what image shall I add? Same, I have only that image only. I'll save this. Go refresh. Now, no magic, no this thing. Yesterday I said to you, if your border is getting displayed like this, it is because it is taking only a corner. Guys, yesterday didn't I mention you people something about slice property? Yes or no? So now what I'll do here? I will again go back to the program and inside this, I will use another one border property called as border. I will use border slice. No, the slice. Border, image, slice. Yes or no? How much pixel shall I give? Can draw. Huh? How much shall I give? Guys, now, why am I not getting it? Why am I not getting it? Slice, will you mention it as pixels? See, you people don't concentrate. Only she is listening to my class very properly. Okay. So clear? Clear with this? Done? So now, online students, are you people clear with this? My dear online students, are you clear with this? Everyone? Yes or no? Who is that no? Clear with this? Done? So now, my task is, online students, shall I give the task now? Yes or no? Yes, enough. Time is not up. I know when it is up, when it is not up. So now, my task is, not my task, your task. So the task which I want to give is, take one big circle. Okay. Take another one small circle. And inside the circle, I want it to be displayed like this. Can you people do? Yes or no? For this one, mention some color. For this also, mention some color. This is not snowman. Okay, if you want, you give no. Mouth, you give like this. Mouth, you give like this. You want also? Okay. Give hat also. Correct. What else you want mustache also? Give hand also. Give legs also. Say, man is looking like owl. Hey, shut up. Can you display this image? Can you display this image? This is the task which you people have to do. Mouth, however you want, you give. But I want this image to be displayed. You can use all the properties which I've taught now. Yes or no? Yes or no? Can you do it? Someone called ma'am. Someone called me. Any doubt? All students, are you people clear with the task? Lakshmi, it's not owl. It is a kind of snowman. Done, guys? So, okay, so you people will do this task? Yes or no? I have not yet completed. Start doing the task. Start doing the task. Nitesh, clear? Nitesh, Deepika, Lokesh. Guys, is it clear? Reply something, no. Yes, please do this task. And what about yesterday's task? What about yesterday's task? My dear students, what about yesterday's task? What about yesterday's task? First of all, wait. Everyone stop. You people have done yesterday's task? Yes? Everyone? Now I'll come and I'll check those who have not done. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕಿರ್ಚಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಿರ್ಚಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಓಕೆ, you Mac. What have you added here? How did you add this? हाँ, you? हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. मुंह क्यों बना रही है? When you click on the image, it will go to some other page. You searching you. See here. Where is cosmetic? Monica, what happened? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ? You search. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್. ಅಂದೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಹಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಯಾಯ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗೋಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಸತ್ತೋಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ. You sorry okay. You come and I have no problem, but don't do it in front of someone. Okay, we will take control. Pa, Narasimha, show the output. Not working. When I come, it will not work. Go to the file. Go to the file and open the code there. You think I'm buffoon? Ray, I know you haven't done anything. And he's saying, ma'am, I'm not getting the output. ಎತ್ತು ತಲೆ ಎತ್ತು ಎತ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ತಲೆ ಎತ್ತಕ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕಂತ अच्छे हो गए. Please, everyone scan the attendance. Everyone scan the attendance. Students, if you people have done scanning the attendance, you can leave for the class. Offline students, wait here only. Hello. Star space and the okay. ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ನಿನ್ನೆನೆ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ತಾನೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳು ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. अब्दुल कहाँ है? हाँ, लैपटॉप क्यों? पूजा कर रहा है घर पे? चार्ज नहीं है, केबल भी घूम गया है क्या? फ्रेंड के पास है, क्यों? वो कुछ और कर रहा है उसमें? उसके पास क्यों लैपटॉप नहीं है? तू अकेला था, उस तू अकेला उसका दोस्त है तो इसलिए तूने अपना अपना लैपटॉप उसको दे दिया, चार्ज करने के लिए दिया है। लैपटॉप को ಯಾವಾಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್? ತಾವು ಮುಖ ಎತ್ತಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? I said ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ offline students, no break for you today. ಏನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್